Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you how to play a minor 7 bar chord that's A-shaped or the root is on the 5th string. Now, this is what it looks like and sounds like. So in this scenario, I'm going to be playing a D minor 7 bar chord. So I'm going to take my index finger here and place it on the 5th fret over strings 1 through 5. And that index finger is going to be playing that fret number 5 on the 5th string for the root of that D. And then I'm going to play on the 4th string on the 7th fret. I'm going to place my ring finger there and play that note. And then with the 3rd string on the 5th fret, I'll play that note. Then I'm going to place my middle finger on the 2nd string, 6th fret, and play that note. And then my index finger is going to play that note on the 1st string, 5th fret. And when I play them all together, it sounds and looks like this. Hey, again, practice your strumming, play those notes individually so it sounds real clean, and add that minor 7th bar chord into your mix. Keep on jamming.